Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we are planning in my Catchall, which is the brand new Beauty in Florals. And here we go. I am going to go ahead and start planning. I wanted to say thank you if you are already subscribed to my channel. I appreciate you so much. And if you are brand new and you just found me, welcome. I am so excited you found me. As you can see, there is mayhem of choices on my desk, and this happens mostly when I plan. I did find this beautiful scrapbook paper from the Park Lane, which is a Joanne fabric company, and I'm just gonna mark it and I'm gonna cut it, and we're gonna work with that. I apologize ahead of time for this plan with me. It is absolute mayhem. I'm going to be removing stickers, adding stickers, removing more stickers. So if you want to see a plannering struggle, stay tuned for sure. This doesn't happen super often, but when it does, oh my lord, right? Okay, I'm gonna add a second strip of this. Okay, so I'm just adding a second layer of the same scrapbook paper, and I love this little ruler and board. The reason why is they are magnetized, so it holds your page together. And if you see my messy hair sticking out, yep, that's my ends when I do a ponytail are just so shaggy for some reason, so they keep popping into the video. I apologize. Okay, I'm gonna cut another piece, and here we go. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and add these pieces to my planner. Oh my lord, I love it. Yeah, these are just perfect for the summer and kind of beginning of the summer. I really love it. Summer is my favorite season, and I'm not even a teacher and I work the whole summer. I know for teachers, summers are pretty incredible with some of the time off, but I work the whole time. Just the days are longer. It's such a beautiful time of the year. Everything is in full life. It's like it's really lovely. Okay. Scrapbook pages are down. That's awesome. I am going to add some lemons because when life gives you lemons, what do you make? Limoncello, everyone. Limoncello. Okay, and my hair. I am so sorry. I don't know what's going on. I have been losing quite a bit of hair, but that's been kind of normal for me. Okay. Colorful shapes. I think that might work. Oh, what about if we use those weird ones that we never use? They're kind of a weird shape. So there, I'm gonna do that and add some yellow. Then I'm gonna add a different shade of green, and then another set of lemons right up there, and I think that's gonna add quite a bit of color to it. How beautiful is this? Oh my lord. Yeah, technically I could leave it like this, right? Okay, and I am pulling some stickers from the Recollections Southern Blues sticker book, and I I found those peaches, and that's what it made me think about when I was pulling out the beautiful scrapbook paper. But this is where I start going wrong, and you will see what happens in just 1 second. Okay, so I'm adding these peaches and these flowers. And then I'm going to be removing every single thing because life is not easy, is it? And this is a perfect example of something working in my head but not really working on paper. So I'm trying to figure out some little things of how to make this happen, and I'm looking for more shapes, so I pulled another book with the same shapes and colors because I want to keep the boxes green and possibly maybe yellow if I can find yellow. So I'm trying to figure out where to put these peaches, but that I don't think that's working. Okay, decisions. Using some of the beautiful undo, I am going to peel up these stickers. Oh yeah, it's happening. I'm also going to see if these would work, but possibly not. So I'm going to remove the peaches. I'm kind of sad that didn't work, but life happens. And then I'm going to remove all of these beautiful florals and put them back in the book. So I'm thinking of adding different florals and kind of deciding whether that would work. But first I'm gonna add hello darling and hey y'all. Hopefully that works. I really love these flowers with the vases with the blue bow. I think they're so elegant and chic. And just really different. But the last page of this has lemonade. So why not add that instead? So gorgeous, right? Okay, so I'm adding more lemons. And as I'm adding all of my lemons, I think I'm starting to realize that these flowers are not really working. So the minute I'm done adding all of these, I'm gonna remove the flowers. Yeah, that is way too busy. It's not gonna work. So I'm gonna go to the Mojo Jojo Plan sticker book and pull out some yellow boxes, and I want the bright yellow where they really stand out, and I'm gonna add them on top of that scrapbook paper. I think if I write anything in there, it's really going to stand out. Yeah, that box is really bugging me. I'm gonna move it closer and peel up those lemons and move it right underneath, and this box will be for Tuesday. And it's too darn busy. And I keep adding stuff to it because why not? So the flowers have to go. They really need to go, and I have decided, and we are removing all of it. So undo to the rescue yet again. Like I said, if you wanted to see the most undecisive plan with me in your life, welcome to my world. I'm usually actually pretty good about deciding on stickers and what I want to do with them. This was an exception, not a rule for me. And as you can see, I'm really struggling with this plan with me. So I think I'm going to leave most of this as... Okay, so I am replacing all of these removing all of these crazy flowers. I'm going to place them back, and I'm going to adjust this little lemon, and I'm going to go into the Recollections sticker book, same one, And I'm gonna go ahead and put some, see if there's any lemons left. And if there are, we are certainly going to be utilizing it. So there's another one of those lemon ones, and there's that tiny little lemon, and I pulled one from the top, and I'm just gonna readjust because I don't like the way that looks. Oh, that looks much better. Yeah, I think that's pretty good. I'm just gonna grab my checklist, do some lines for myself so I can write, and that will be the spread. And then at the end, I'm going to go ahead and pick the winner of today, of the giveaway that ended on Friday. I am getting ready with another giveaway, and I'm super excited for you guys because I'm going to be giving away the Wonderlust sticker book from Live Love Posh, as well as the colorful boxes from Mojo Jojo Plants. So, and a whole bunch of other stuff, but those will be the two main ones that I just know I couldn't live without at this point, now that I know they exist. So I hope you guys enjoyed this plan with me, because I have so much fun every single time when I get to film those for you guys. Even with this one, once I struggle, I really do have fun. Thank you so much for watching, and let's put this, snap this back onto the discs and see how it looks. Excuse me. I think this is perfectly okay, and I love the yellow and green. It is so summerish, and it's time for the giveaway. So all of the names are loaded on here. It was so many entries. Oh my lord. So it says it's like over 2,000 names in there with how many tags and comments there were. And my mystic plans wins the giveaway. Thank you so much for all of you who participated. I am so thankful, and I can't wait to host another one. Have a great week. Bye.